Hello and welcome to Solongtattoo's YouTube channel. We're your source for tattoo guides and the latest product releases. Today we're diving into a tutorial on assembling the Solong Coil tattoo machine. Let's get started. Put the rubber grommet nipples on the tattoo needle. Tips. Please make sure the needle tip downward and needle bar upward, and then put the grommet on the needle from bottom. Put the needle through the grip hole and assemble the needle to the armature bar. Assemble the fish-shaped grip. Loosen the two screws on grip slightly. Remove the stainless steel tube. Put half of the tube into the grip and tighten the screw slightly. Excessive force may deform the tube. Loosen the grip clamp. Put the grip through the grip hole and tighten the clamp. Tips. If the stainless steel tube on the grip is movable, when assembled, please tighten the screw on grip slightly. Put the disposable tip on the grip. When adjusting the needle length, press the armature tightly. After the armature and the two coils get together, pull the disposable tip forward or backward to adjust the needle length. 3 mm is the best suitable length. After adjusting the needle length to the suitable position, please tighten the screw slightly. Excessive force may destroy the disposable tip. Put a rubber band on the coil machine to fix the tattoo needle to prevent it from popping out. Adjust the contact screw to make the center point of contact screw on the line with the top of armature, and then tighten the screw of armature. When adjusting the contact point, please rotate the contact screw. When the screw touches the front spring, please tighten the front binding post. Connect the clip cord on the machine after the coil machine is well assembled. Step on the foot pedal will start your tattooing, and you can adjust the voltage and frequency according to your needed tattooing speed. When you adjust the length of the needle, please make sure that you have step on the foot pedal. You can adjust the needle length according to your detailed tattooing request. usually 2.5 millimeters, 3 millimeters length will be suitable for most of the tattooing jobs. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more tattoo guides and Solongtattoo products, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Solongtattoosupply, and share it with your friends. Have a great day.